Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Bane. Let's get started. Product feature. Experience breathtaking quality with 4K decoding and crystal clear 1080p output, ensuring your movies and presentations look incredibly sharp and professional. Stay fully informed with the upgraded LED status screen that shows real-time pairing, signal strength, and power, making your setup process smooth and stress-free. Enjoy the freedom to move with an impressive 165-foot transmission range in open spaces, perfect for large living rooms, offices, or even outdoor movie nights. Easily expand your workspace or share your favorite content with built-in support for both screen mirroring and screen extension modes for ultimate flexibility. Forget the headache of complex apps or Bluetooth pairing. This device works right out of the box with a plug-and-play design so you can start streaming in seconds. Seamlessly connect all your favorite devices, including laptops, cameras, projectors, and gaming consoles for a truly versatile and inclusive media experience. Take your entertainment anywhere with a compact design and the ability to power the transmitter via micro USB for devices that cannot provide power through HDMI. Pros: you'll love how this device simplifies your life by removing messy cables from your setup. The long-range connection gives you incredible flexibility, while the LED display takes the guesswork out of troubleshooting. It's genuinely heartening to see a gadget that works so reliably, making it easier than ever to share special moments with your family or deliver a flawless pitch at work. Cons: while the 165-foot range is fantastic, keep in mind that thick walls or obstacles might slightly reduce that distance. Also, while it decodes 4K content, the output is 1080p, which is perfect for most screens, but something to note if you require native 4K resolution. Final thoughts. Imagine the freedom of setting up a projector anywhere in your home without worrying about where the cables go. This little device brings a sense of ease and joy to your digital life, letting you focus on the content and the people you're sharing it with. It's a thoughtful investment for anyone who values a clean, modern, and highly functional entertainment or work environment. Ready to upgrade your home setup? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.